Hello everyone. It's Denise Donahue, the Mortgage Nerd News, and this is episode 2 for 2018 for the Mortgage Nerd News interest rate updates. So I gave an update Wednesday, January 10th, after the China news because interest rates increased. And if you guys remember, I said, don't worry, don't freak out. It's not going to be a long-lasting thing. And that did, in fact, happen. So today is Saturday, January 13th. I wanted to give you an update about what went on last week. There were three factors that took place on Friday, three measurements, and it was pretty telling on what it did to impact the bonds. And just as a reminder, the mortgage interest rates, fixed rates are directly tied to the bond market. And so when the bond prices are high, interest rates actually go down. And when bond prices are low, interest rates are up. And so here is what the chart looks like as far as how the bond prices are measuring. Again, the price is over here and the date is here. So you can see here that we had the large decrease in bond prices, and like I said, when that happens, interest rates go up. We did see some recovery towards the end of the week, and what I'm pointing to here is the trend line. And so the three factors that came out, which is what I'm circling here, is the CPI, which is the Consumer Price Index, came in hot, hot, hot. Business inventories came in hot, and then retail sales came in flat. And in case some of you guys don't remember in our economics classes, the best way to understand the Consumer Price Index is it's kind of similar to if you were to get a basket and put a bunch of goods and services in that basket. The cost of that basket today versus, let's say, a year ago from today is sort of how we measure the Consumer Price Index. And so that came in hot. The business inventories came in hot. But then the retail sales, it came in as expected, but it was kind of surprising because we just came off of Christmas and the holidays, and it was way off from last month's. Last month I think was at 1.4%, and now it's at 0.4. So, anyways, we are expecting the bond prices to come back up to this trend line, but it's not going to go all the way back up to here. We're not really speculating. So it does look like interest rates are going to stay. They're going to get a little bit better, but they're going to probably stay in this area here. So we're going to take a close eye on them. You'll also remember that every single Thursday I post the weekly mortgage market report that comes directly from the chief economist at Freddie Mac. So you'll see here that it's always posted on my Facebook page, which is called The Mortgage Nerd. So be sure to go there. It does a measurement from last week's to this week's, and it looks at the 30-year, 15-year, and the 5-year ARM. So again, if you have any questions about is now the right time to refinance, if you went under contract, I do not recommend locking an interest rate in right now. Lenders can typically continue to process and underwrite your loan before locking in the rate, because remember, it's always important. You want the lowest interest rate by the time you close, not necessarily at that current market value. So that's why you want to make sure you're hiring somebody like myself, who's a certified mortgage planner, that doesn't just say, here's your rate, here's your term, but they actually follow the bond market so they can properly advise you on when to lock and when not. So thanks again for tuning in. I'll give you another update next week. If you have any questions, just let me know. Y'all take care. Have a good one. Bye-bye.